Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix D3D compiler underscore 43.dll is missing or not found in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open up Chrome and search DirectX end user runtime. Press enter. Select the first link. Scroll down. In here you just need to select your language and select the download option to download it. After getting download done, you just need to click on the setup and install it. Select yes. Select I accept the agreement and select next. Uncheck this install Bing bar and select next. After getting installation done, select finish and close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.